All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, Only Wood Floors. Hey, it's 10:30. We started this morning at 7. You've seen the earlier video. I'm going to take you inside. It's going to be a little noisy. We got the blowers going, getting ready to apply our last coat of finish. Blowers are helping it dry. But man, this thing is already looking beautiful. Let me turn it around. Hold your ears. Let's go inside. Look at that. Remember the video earlier? Well, I'll show you upstairs. This room hasn't been finished yet. So that's what it used to look like. Bam! Woo. Beautiful. You can actually see the beautiful walnut wood now. Look at that. Look at that beautiful piece of wood. And if you've seen, in the kitchen, they've got a big island we have to slide to one side to the other. So half of the kitchen will be finished today, and we'll have to finish the other half tomorrow. All right, we got to start sanding.